Farewell Summer and the Wisdom of a Little Bird. Following is a presentation of summertime pictures that I took during the daily strolls and outings over a period of a couple of years. Sometimes I was more deliberate to check the sunset and moonrise timings to be there to capture the celestial event. They say journey is seeing the same place with new eyes. Before I could collect warmth of clear blue skies and decipher the fluffy floating messages, summer has bid farewell. Before I could gather solace for the winter solstice, fall is here. Have I noticed? Am I too busy? Under the cool shade of trees, I deferred, lying down lazily on green grass for another day, unwisely unmindful that passing seasons stop for none. How many sunsets and sunrises have I ignored to glance at and reflect the ethereal crimson glow? And how many full moons have I missed to get drenched in the cool, luminous shower? Not enchanting experiences, but in pursuit of ephemeral and in pursuit of future happiness, in the self inflicted rush, I missed being entranced here and now. Didn't I get deceived enough by the hope of tomorrow? Alas, summer has bid farewell. I waited for perfect time and steady conditions that never come, for leisurely strolls among the sentient centuries. Ensnared to the gobbles of my goals, not paying attention to the passing of time. How would I know the cherry red sun on the horizon? Is it setting or is it rising? I spent precious life moments on maximizing my anxious hordes. Is my avarice waxing or waning away my happiness? I do not know. And the summer has bid farewell. O life, why do you evade understanding? Why do you not share secrets of living? Then, from nowhere, a little bird flew in, flapping joyfully. And at the peak of its vocal strength, it shrieked, elucidating secret to living, which comes naturally to it. Alas, I didn't grasp a thing, for I am used to hearing but not listening. I am used to seeing but not watching. But the little bird shook my being. I now know that in my care for tomorrow, today's smiles needn't slip from my heart's lips. Doing the best and leaving the rest to nature's providence, which shapes the little bird's life and also nurtures mine. Joys of life are but simple and gone in a flash. Only a child at heart can capture the gifts ever bestowed here and now. Thanks to the little bird, I am prepared. When the winter of life knocks on my front door, I know how to escape its tyranny. I now have the keys to the magical back door that opens into the secret garden of inner spring.